So in the given problem, he has given a 4-bit shift register and also he has given the initialized value of that register, and then he is asking after how many clock pulses the pattern will reappears. Okay, so this kind of problem, first of all you have to write the state diagram, then only you can know how many number of clock pulses required to reappear the same pattern. Okay, so here there are 4 states. So one is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and before that D is there. So what is D? The expression for D is Q2 exclusive OR Q3, the whole combination exclusive OR with Q0. So this is the truth table. So initially this is the clock pulses. So initially no clock pulses given. So the initial data is 1 0 0 0 is the initial value. So I have to count the clock pulses until I will get the same pattern. Okay, so first clock pulse. So the moment when these values are here, these values will create D, which is equal to, as per this formula, exclusive of 0 0 is 0. So 0 with exclusive OR it will become 1. So when you give the first clock pulse, this 1 will move to here and this 1 will move to here because it is a D flip flop. So then 0 will comes to here and 0 comes. So what's the resultant value? D. This is 0 exclusive OR with 1. So again you will get 1. So in the second clock pulse, this 1 will move to here, this 1 1 0. So what value it will create? This is 1 exclusive OR with 1, so this is 0. So third clock pulse, 0 1 1 1. So this is 0 and 0, it will create 0. So fourth clock pulse, 0 will come to here, 0 1 1. Next, so this is 0 exclusive OR 0, so it will get 0. So fifth clock pulse, this 0 will comes to here, 0 0 1. So this is 0 1, so 1 exclusive OR with 0, this is 0. So sixth clock pulse, 0 will comes to here, 0 comes to here, 0 comes to here, 0 comes to here. Sorry, 0 1 is exclusive OR 1, 1 exclusive OR with 0 is 1. So this is 1. So this 1 will comes to here. Now you can see the same pattern, 1 0 0 same pattern appears. So that means how many clock pulses? 6. So the number of clock pulses required is 6.